Hi everyone! I know you know that Sale-a-Bration is underway, but we're almost halfway through. When we get halfway through on February 16th, there's going to be a second release of Sale-a-Bration products. These are available beginning on February 16th, and you can choose some level 1 products with a $50 order, and I want to show you those. Get a little sneak peek. This is a stamp set called Eclectic Expressions. It's got some really great background stamps. You can do a lot with these images as a really fun background. Or look how they did on the cover here, these nice little fun little spots. So this is a really fun stamp set, and I think this would be great for anybody's collection. And this is a level 1. So with a $50 order, you could choose this. Or there's a brand new 12 by 12 pack of designer series paper, and I wish you could see I'm going to try and make the shimmer happen. There's rose gold, really pretty spots on this one, and then this one has silver foil and gold foil. Look how pretty that is. I'm going to try and get that shine to show for you. Really beautiful paper. This is a nice heavy paper too. You can make packaging with this or use it on a card layer. Looks like you get 3 each of these patterns. Here's a silver foil, a really fun little stripe. Kind of an imperfect stripe, some thick, some thin, slightly wonky, very fun. And ooh, this is beautiful. So this one is rose gold and gold accents, really pretty large flowers. So this is a level 1, free with a $50 purchase, just like the stamp set. And then there's a new level 2 bundle, and you get a stamp set and an embossing folder. This stamp set is really pretty. It's a nice size for coloring or some techniques. Great for Easter coming up, Mother's Day, or any spring little flower card that you want to make. Really fun. And this embossing folder, it's one of those extra thick dynamic impressions embossing folders. And it says in the little catalog here that this is going to carry over into the next catalog, so you can get this ahead of time. And it's just a really fun basket weave embossing folder. So that's a little sneak peek of what's coming in the second half of Sale-a-Bration beginning February 16th. Thanks for watching.